All right, everyone. So we just pulled our casserole out of the oven. Okay, perfect. We're just going to go ahead and stir it in because we want to make sure that, again, it's not dry, right? We want to make sure that everything is nice and creamy and the milk and cheese mix pretty good, which it does look that way. All right, so you guys, you can add breadcrumbs when we get to this particular part. You can add breadcrumbs and put it back in the oven for a few more minutes. I've had it in the oven baking for approximately 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and sit it back into the oven for another few moments. But before I do, we're gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. And this will complete our tuna casserole. Alright, so we have our Parmesan cheese. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of cayenne pepper. And some more basil. I enjoy basil on all my pasta. So just sprinkle some more basil. We're just going to pop this back into the oven once we cover it up for about another 5-10 minutes. And we'll come back for the official plate. All right, everyone. So here is the final setup. It's been in the oven for about maybe 10 minutes. I'm gonna make sure everything is everything. Yes, it's still not dry. Perfect. And again, you guys, this is a quick meal. So for moms who are working from home, you got all the kids, summer times here, you want to make a quick meal that's not going to take a whole lot of attention time, and you can ball on a budget. You can make this meal for under $10. So again, thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. You guys have an amazing day, and we'll do this again another time.